can see so many fountains in different colors. Looks like it's going to be fun. Wow, I can see so many cows here. Looks like they're ready for the game. Then what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Oh, the blue cow is moving now. It's going inside the blue pool. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, did it convert into a bunch of bubbles? No, it converted into a blue cow. Okay, baby, it's your turn now. Go, have some fun. Oh, it's going inside the pink pool. Will it come out? Oh, yes, the bubbles. Oh, it converted into a pink cow. Oh, darling, where are you going now? Oh, inside the green pool. Okay, just come back soon. Oh, and yes, the bubbles, and it converted into a green cow. Yay! Okay, sweetheart, you're the last one. Which pool will you choose? Oh, the red one. Okay, when will it come back? Oh, yay! And the bubbles had converted into a red cow. Oh, cows, you all look very happy. Let's see what colors you have got. Blue, pink, green and red. Wow! Okay, so this game ends here, but the fountains are still waiting. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!